We're back. I entered my birthday, and looks like we're in Chat GPT now. So let's talk to it. Let's just restart. Can you tell me about BrowseSharp? I don't know. Should I add question marks here? Okay, this is more accurate. BrowseSharp is an open source C# headless browser designed for web scraping and automation tasks, built on REST-Sharp HTTP client, the Gent JavaScript engine, AngleSharp for HTML parsing. BrowseSharp allows developers to interact with and extract data from websites. It provides tools for navigating web pages, handling forms, and executing JavaScript, making it suitable for more complex scraping tasks that involve dynamic content loading or interactions. So it's actually not true. It's not very good at dynamic content loading or interactions. I wanted it to be, and I maybe made it seem like it could do that, which it kind of can if you know what you're doing, but I never got the DOM manipulation with the JavaScript actually working. And at the time, Gent was the developer working on Gent was taking a break, so kind of put it on the back burner and got a new job, and then didn't have time to go back to it, but want to get back to it at some point. Key features: CSS querying, execute JavaScript directly, get, post, include asynchronous request, manipulate HTML elements by parsing CSS JavaScript within pages. Browser history features. So yeah, that is true. I did make it so that it stores the history of where you visited, and you can navigate back and forth, kind of like back and forward buttons on the browser. And you can do that with caching as well, because it stores the documents, like the full documents that were loaded, or you can do a hard back or forward refresh, and it's kind of like a stack queue type thing. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, it does get all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Developers interested, it's available on GitHub and NuGet. MIT license, yes. And they had the official website here, GitHub repository and website. So I guess you gotta pay for these things. Wait, hold on. Are these reversed? No, they're not. Okay, let's close those. Okay. Now I'm sure now that I created an account, can you write me an application using BrowseSharp? To get started with it, okay, so now it is telling me. I don't know which model this is. Initialize browser instance, navigate the specific URL, extract and display page title and first paragraph of text. Okay. Here's the code for that. Web scraper, application, browser, new browser, example.com, iDocument, document status code. Pretty cool. So initialization, navigation. So initialization, I should probably create some factories for that, because it's a lot of default settings, and the constructor is huge. So to make it a little simpler, I probably don't have a default constructor and just a factory. Query selector P, running the application, Visual Studio. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's try this out. So let's go, we're in repos. Let's do make their scraping, CD scraping, and then what is this? Let's do it again. It's navigating GPT first scraper. CD GPT. Whoops. Make their GPT scraper first scraper, and then a GPT, and then we'll do, I think, .NET create. Is this okay, let's do create help. Okay, help, create help. Okay, .NET help. We're gonna do publish, and I spelled new. Okay, new help. Okay, new web, new solution, new list. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. Let me make this bigger too. And is anyone here? anyone watching? Okay. API controller, gRPC, MVC, Blazor console, NuGet, page view solution, web config, worker, XUnit. So I guess console. Okay, let's do oops, accidentally put ls. Okay, so ls, and we'll do .NET new, what was it, .NET new console. Okay, ls vim program, and then we'll just comment that out, and we'll go and we'll do copy all of this, and we're gonna have to install the NuGet package. Okay, and I also upgraded to lazy vim over Packer, so that's a new interesting thing. Okay, so now let's go quit, and then we'll do .NET add, is it add? Let's do help, .NET add, is it .NET add help, package, BrowseSharp -v 0.1.1. And cool, we got it. Now let's do .NET run. And what it do? iDocument does not contain the definition for status code. Okay. So maybe Chat GPT messed up. Let's go to BrowseSharp. CD BrowseSharp, ls, CD BrowseSharp, ls, vim. Okay, so we need to go BrowseSharp comment, I think, ls, vim, iDocument. Okay, and what does it not have? Status code. Status code. Okay, so that's already wrong. So let's go document.status code. Let's go back. Request HTML document, styles, request URI forms, iDocument, tdata, and iREST response. I put an interface in here with two interfaces. This is HTML document. Okay, let's go here. REST sharp HTML document. Let's go to quick start. Where is I want the GitHub. Let's go to hiding stuff. Alright, so let's go source. Let's go REST sharp, response.cs, get default response, task REST response. Interceptors, parameters, polyfills, properties, iREST client, REST sharp, serializers, no, probably not there. Parameters, request parameter, interceptors, extensions, authenticators, request. Alright, let's do status code. There we go. HTTP status code, REST response base. Okay, so response. Okay, so maybe it's just vim program document dot response. Does it have autocomplete dot response? Let's go. .NET run. I gotta change this to 1 sec. Full screen advanced. No. Preferences, and then we'll do new tab nation next. Okay, and we got our document does not contain definition for title. Okay, so this thing is completely wrong. What? Okay. Okay, so maybe Chat GPT isn't as good as we think. Okay, let me actually, so maybe I should, whoops. Maybe I should ask it to fix itself. Okay, let me go back. Let me go here. Let me undo that real quick and get the error. Oops. Copy. So actually, I did fix it. Okay. So the one error. This gave an error of okay, yeah, he knew what to do, or they knew what to do. Okay. Let me go back actually. Let me do the progression of this. Get status, get init, get status, get add dot, get status. Do we get status? Do you commit to obj? Do you commit obj directory on C#? You're absolutely correct. Don't check in bin or obj. Okay, so let's do vim docket ignore obj. Get add docket ignore, get status, get restore staged obj, get status, get remove cached, okay, dash up, dash R, get status, get commit, initial commit with GPT generated code original. Okay, save that, get status, vim, actually we got it. Okay, we don't need the vim. Let's go here, and then let's go back. Okay, let's copy this. Vim, let's just do undo. And let's do .NET run. Did it run? Dude, it worked. First paragraph, this domain is for illustration example and documents. Okay, cool. So successfully loaded the page. Okay, so get status, get add program, get status, vim docket ignore, and then we're gonna do bin, get status, get add docket ignore, get status, get commit, success, updated with prompt, success, asked GPT to fix the program by giving error output was able to successfully fix the program. Okay, got that. Okay, now what? Let's see. Page title, console right line. Okay, let's get a little more complex. Let's find a website to scrape. Okay, let me do, can you write a web scraper using BrowseSharp to get a list of NFL game scores? Examine the page structure or the C# script that navigates the page, extracts score information, and displays it. That can be attacked to confirm specifics about the structure. Sample.com NFL scores. Okay, let's go ahead, copy that, then we'll go up and we'll do make their NFL scores. See, NFL scores, .NET new console. Right, console. .NET install. What was it? Add package BrowseSharp -v 0.1.1. Okay, and we'll do vim program. Exit out of that. Oh no, what's going on? I don't know why it's crashing. It's weird. Okay, so comment this out and then paste in our John. Do get init, get status, and then .NET run. Nope, iDocument is an ambiguous reference. Common iDocument, AngularSharp DOM iDocument. Vim program. Okay. Okay, so, okay, let me ask it to do that again. I don't know why it's don't send. So let's go copy. I really just want to fix myself. This gave an exception of that. And then we'll do get status, vim.getIgnore, bin get status, get add.getIgnore, NFL scores program, get status, get commit, initial commit, not working. Okay, get status, and we'll go like that. Okay, solution 1, use aliases for namespaces. Okay. Using fully qualified domain types. Okay, so we'll do the first one. Okay, let's go back. Let's do vim program, undo, paste. And then we'll do .NET run. Failed to load page, status code not found. Okay, yeah, that worked. I mean, it's not a real page, so that's fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go, NFL.com. Can you update this to use NFL.com? Okay, and then let's do get status, get add program, get status, get commit, successfully ran the program, but the URL is invalid. Still compiles and executes. Okay, and what do we got? Here's a C# example, access to NFL scores, CSS selector for scores, NFL scores, okay, team name, class, score, okay, let's go up, copy this, and then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna do undo, get status, .NET run. Cool, successfully loaded the page, NFL score games, get status, get add program, get status, get commit, updated for NFL.com, updated for NFL.com, missing CSS query selectors. Okay, and then we'll go CSS select here for scores, team name dot class and score class. Okay, so let's go help it out. Let's go to NFL.com. Let's go to here. What was the URL? NFL.com /scores. Oh, dope, that's real. And then we'll do inspect. Okay, so what did we need? We needed CS selector, scrape scores element by targeting CSS selector for scores. Okay, data test ID, face mask column. It's gonna be tricky. The classes are generated. PDLNY6. Does this change? Let's see, PDLNY6. Oh, this isn't gonna work. It's dynamically rendered. Oh, it is the same. PLNY6. Okay. I don't know. This is interesting though. All right. That was interesting. Did a pretty decent job, honestly. It wasn't too bad. But I'm pretty sure I have a hunch that like This is probably pulling all the data from an API. Payload, preview, generate token. Okay. Scores. See, so it's all generated. Site section scores. Oh, is it? Let me see. Yeah, I think it's gonna just switch into trying to hack this thing. Let's see what that was versus. What are we looking at? Window dot add event listener message. Window dot taboola dot we got here. Let's do toString. Taboola. Let's go. It's an array, flush, true. Taboola dot sub 0 sub 1. Okay, so it just contains flush. Okay. Well, yeah, anyway, I think I'll cut it here, but we got, what do we got? Get status. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna sign off. This was interesting, but I don't think I'm gonna get any further with it, or it won't be fun too. But cool. But pretty cool though. It's just let me see if it knows like who uses BrowseSharp. BrowseSharp. Okay, you need to perform web scraping, HTML and parsing, or automate interactions with web pages, especially valued in fields that rely on data extraction from web pages, such as finance, e-commerce, market research, and academic research. That's true. I do have a friend who used it for market research. Developers often use BrowseSharp for tasks requiring JavaScript execution, CSS scraping, form submissions, and which makes it versatile for scraping both static and dynamic websites. It's not really. I want to make it good for dynamic websites, but just not really at that point yet. Notable examples include its use in projects requiring complex scraping tasks or automated form submissions. It's integrated with libraries like RedSharp, AngleSharp for improved HTTP request and DOM parsing. This tool is also found to place in educational settings where it's used to teach scraping and browser automation. BrowseSharp is fully open source and supports custom scripts for interacting with JavaScript-heavy pages, allowing developers to access more complex data structures. For more details, you can explore BrowseSharp's official website and its GitHub repository, where examples and community projects are available. No way, dude. So, educational settings. What institutions are using BrowseSharp for educational purposes? Now let's go BrowseSharp. BrowseSharp is used prior, saying the same thing. Universities such as University of Wisconsin have highlighted the educational potential of web scraping, guiding students and researchers on using scraping tools and techniques effectively. Understand ethical considerations and basics of setting up web scraping projects. Some research projects benefit from gray literature scraping, which targets data not indexed in conventional databases, are thus well suited for these types of projects, enabling faster data collection. Is that true, the University of Wisconsin? Let's go BrowseSharp, University of Wisconsin. Okay, share results. Nope. WordPress service. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna find it. Let's go. BrowseSharp. It's healthcare. BrowseSharp tech jobs. I did see one time Puppeteer without hassle. What are features? Puppeteer. BrowseSharp. No. BrowseSharp resume. Okay. It's pretty crazy when you make something and people are like making websites around it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call it quits on this this video. Catch you guys later. Peace.